Welcome back to my channel. I am Mary of Unusual Mary, sharing with you unusually unique recipes and DIYs. I'll be sharing with you how I make my fluffy akara from beans flour. The detailed recipe will be in the description box. To a bowl, add 1.5 cup of beans powder. Add a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Then mix thoroughly. To that, add 1 cup of lukewarm water, 1 large egg, a tablespoon of pepper sauce, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and stir and mix properly to get a smooth, light paste. To this, I added 2 tablespoons of water to lighten the paste. To the mixture, I added a medium-sized onions. I sliced mine. If you prefer, you could dice yours. Place a deep pot of oil on medium heat. To the oil, add scoops of the beans paste with an ice cream scoop or tablespoon. Depending on your preference, you could add smaller quantity to make your akara balls come out smaller. I prefer larger akara balls. Depending on the size of your akara, fry for 3 to 5 minutes on each side or until it turns out golden brown. And enjoy! Repeat the same step until you use up all the beans paste. I prefer taking my akara with pap or custard. This is a classic Nigerian meal, taken mostly on the weekend. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching.